Healthcare is a bit behind the times when it comes to using just existing technology for patient safety. I'm not talking about nanobots or a surgery robot, but real just kind of standard tech. So in healthcare, there's these events that are called never events, events that should never occur. So imagine you go in to get surgery on your left shoulder, reluctantly you go in, right, who wants to get surgery, and they accidentally do it on your right shoulder. Right, so that's a never event. The never event I focus on for my research are bed sores. So a bed sore is kind of this grotesque open wound, which don't worry, I won't show you here, which develop from prolonged pressure to a certain area of the body. So if you're lucky enough to get into a really good healthcare facility, you're looking at 1 out of every 33 patients will get these. And this is specifically for not healthy individuals, because a healthy individual will make micro movements in your sleep, and you'll redistribute the pressure, or even when you're sitting down. But it's really more the most vulnerable people in our society, the elderly and disabled. And like I said, so really good facility, 1 out of 33. But if you live in a third world country, or you're just not so lucky, it's 1 out of every 2 patients. So it's quite high. And the estimated cost of treating a severe bed sore is about $70,000. So let me give you a sense of why this is happening. So the standard, top of the line tech right now in hospitals to prevent, or particularly intensive care units of hospitals, is to literally, physically, the nurse has to rotate the patient every 2 hours. So the nurse will put the patient on their left-hand side, and then 2 hours later, rotate them to the right-hand side. So that's just the standard tech right now. And the truth is, nurses forget. They're really busy. Or if the patient has some mobility, they'll actually move, and the nurse might rotate them back to the same side. So UCSF brought this problem to our attention, and they said, well, do you have a solution? And we said, yeah, of course, we have a solution. So our solution, we use a thin mattress overlay on top of the mattress, where we measure pressure, temperature, and humidity. And then we stream this using Wi-Fi, just standard Wi-Fi, and intelligently determine how much pressure has been applied to each body part over time. And doing that, and then also correlate it with temperature and humidity, so we can know the exact cause of a bed sore. And if we can predict 100% of time when a bed sore will occur, we can prevent them 100% of the time, and make never events make bed sores instead of a never event, make it a never, ever event. Thank you.